Okay, hello. A very big hello to the students of second standard. Okay, I am Nawaz ma'am, and today I am here with another SST video of lesson number 10, our festivals. Okay, we have already done the chapter in the online classes. Now you can watch the video also to get more clear picture about the lesson, children. So let's begin. Festivals of India. There are many festivals in our country, right? Festival is a special event. It is an occasion for mixing with friends, relatives, and neighbors. So, festival is a time when we can enjoy ourselves with our friends, our family members, and our neighbors. Okay, children? Then, there are many types of festivals which are celebrated in our country. For example, religious festivals, harvest festivals, national festivals. All these type of festivals will we learned in the chapter. Huh? So religious festivals are celebrated by certain people, okay, of a particular religion. Harvest festivals are celebrated by the people of the state, okay, all the people of the state. Understand, harvest festival means what? When the crops are ready to be cut, the festival which is celebrated at that time, it is called a harvest festival. And national festivals means what, children? The festivals which are celebrated by the people of the country, okay, all the people of the country celebrate national festivals. Understand? Chalo आगे बढ़ते हैं. These are the religious festivals over here. What are the religious festivals? Christmas, Eid, Holi, Diwali, okay, Guru Parvas. All these festivals are called religious festivals. Understand, children? On Holi, what do we do? First of all, it is called the festival of colors and fun. Why? Because people like to throw water on one another, people throw gulal on one another, and they enjoy themselves. Yeah? And then a special dish which is called gujia, it is made on this day. It is a sweet dish which is made on this day, Holi. So Holi is called the festival of colors. Then children, Diwali. Why Diwali is celebrated? Diwali is celebrated to mark the return of Lord Rama to Ayodhya, and Diwali is called the festival of lights because everywhere there is lights and lights only. Okay, the roads are lighted, the buildings are lighted, our house are lighted with diyas and candles. So everywhere there is light. Understand? And that is why this festival is called the festival of lights. And on this festival, goddess Lakshmi and गणपति बप्पा इनकी पूजा होती है. ओके, पीपल विल वर्शिप गॉडेस लक्ष्मी एंड गणपति बप्पा ऑन दिस डे. ओके चिल्ड्रन. देन ईद पर क्या करते हैं हम लोग? व्हाट डू वी डू ऑन ईद? इट इज सेलिब्रेटेड बाय मुस्लिम पीपल. Okay, after the month of fasting which is called Ramzan, then they will go to the mosque to offer namaz and they will say Eid Mubarak to one another. And on this Eid festival, children, Muslim people will make a special dish which is called sevaiya. Muslim people will make a special dish, sweet dish which is called sevaiya. Okay, and in this way they will enjoy the festival of Eid. In this way they will enjoy the festival of Eid. Then Christmas festival. Okay, Christmas is celebrated all over the world, children. Not only in India, it is celebrated all over the world on 25 December to mark the birthday of Jesus Christ. Okay, children. Prayers are held in the church on this day and children eagerly wait for the gifts from Santa Claus. People sing carols and decorate the Christmas tree. So over here you can see Santa Claus. He will come and give gifts to small children. And the Christian people, they will go in the church. They will do the prayers over there and they will sing their religious songs which are called carols. Then Guru Parvas. Guru Parvas are celebrated by the Sikh people. The Sikhs celebrate the birthdays of the 10 Gurus as the Guru Parvas. They go to the Gurudwara and offer prayers. Gurudwara में जाके वहाँ पर प्रार्थना करते हैं. Big processions with holy books, Guru Granth Sahib pass through the city and then they will take out a procession also. Understand? With their Guru Granth Sahib. It is a holy book of the Sikh people. The rich and the poor sit together to eat from a common kitchen called langar. I told you na langar. What is the meaning of langar? It is a free meal which is served in the Gurudwara. Understood? You don't have to pay to eat that food. It is given in free. Whoever comes to Gurudwara, those people they can eat this food, and it is called langar. The food which is served in the Gurudwara, okay, it is called langar. So these are some religious festivals which are celebrated in our country. They are called religious festivals because people of particular religion celebrate them. Now the harvest festival. Harvest festivals are celebrated to mark the change in the season also, and to celebrate the cutting of the crops in the fields also. Okay, different states will celebrate different type of harvest festival. For example, over here Bihu festival, you can see Bihu festival is the harvest festival of Assam. People of Assam will celebrate Bihu festival. They will dance their traditional dance. There will be a traditional dance program. They will get ready in their traditional costumes, in their traditional dress, and they will enjoy. They will cook good food, tasty, delicious food, and they will enjoy the festival. Then over here you can see Pongal. Pongal is a 3-day festival, okay, and it is celebrated by people of Tamil Nadu. On the first day, the rain god is celebrated. On the second day, the sun god is celebrated, and on the third day, the cows are worshipped. Okay, on the third day, the cows are worshipped. So, in this way, Pongal is celebrated for 3 days. Then, this Onam festival, it is the festival of Kerala, and it is for 10 days. Okay, people will celebrate Onam for 10 days, and these boat races are held on Onam festival. Understand? Boat races are held. People will sing and people will dance, and they will enjoy eating good food on Onam festival, and it is celebrated by people of Kerala. Then over here you can see Baisakhi. Baisakhi is celebrated by Punjabis, okay, by Sikh people. It is celebrated in Punjab. So this is the Baisakhi festival of Punjabi people. They will make a fire, they will light a fire in the night, and then they will worship the fire. Okay, like this way, these are called the harvest festivals. Then national festivals. Republic Day, Independence Day, and Gandhi Jayanti are called national festivals, children, and these festivals are celebrated by all the people of our country. 15th August means our Independence Day, when we got independence from the British rule. Okay, India became a free country. Then 26th is called the Republic Day. 26th August is called the Republic Day. On this day our constitution was framed. We framed our own rules, our own laws, and our own judiciary. Okay, so on this day, Republic Day, 26 January, we celebrate. And who will hoist the flag on the Republic Day? The president will hoist the flag. Understand? And there will be cultural programs, and the soldiers, means the army people, the children of the school, then all the different states of India, they will take part in the cultural program, and it is held in Delhi, okay, in the Red Fort. Then on the Independence Day, who will give a speech? The Prime Minister will give a speech on the Independence Day, children, and he will hoist the flag, he will salute the flag, and same programs are also held on Independence Day also. Okay, it is a huge celebration, and the Prime Minister will give the speech from the Red Fort. Then this Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated to mark the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. He is called the father of our nation. Okay, children call him Bapu. He was the first person who started a fight against the Britishers to free our country. So his day is marked as Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. So these are the national festivals which are celebrated by all the people of our country. Understand? Now the next one. Some more festivals are celebrated in our country. Let us know about them also. This is Ambubashi Mela. As I told you, Ambubashi Mela is a big festival of Assam. People of Assam celebrate with this festival with great jest. Okay, means they will enjoy themselves. A big fair is held over there. And then which goddess is worshipped on this festival? Ma Kamakhya. Okay, goddess Ma Kamakhya is worshipped, and the temple is called the Shakti temple. The temple of Ma Kamakhya is called the Shakti temple. People will go there and they will worship Ma Kamakhya, and then they will enjoy themselves in the Mela, the fair, which is held on that day. Many people will come from different places to take part in this festival. It is called Ambubashi Mela. It is not Ambubachi. It is Ambubashi Mela. Okay. Then over here, this is Ugdi or Guddi Padwa. So who will celebrate Ugdi or Guddi Padwa? The people of Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Maharashtra. They will celebrate this festival. Understand? And in Maharashtra, this festival is called Guddi Padwa. Then people will pray to God. And what they will ask as blessings from God? They will ask for health, wealth and happiness. Okay? They will ask to God that keep them happy, keep them healthy, and keep them in good health. Okay? So this is the blessings they will ask from God on that day. Understood, children? So this is about the festivals of India which are celebrated with huge enthusiasm. Thank you, children. Till my next video, be safe in your houses, do your studies properly and prepare yourself for your T1 exams. Okay? Best of luck to you all. Thank you.